What's up, my people, and welcome back to Judy Guitar YouTube channel. Thank you for taking your time to check us out, and I don't take it for granted. If you're new here, kindly feel welcome and give the video a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe and drop your comments down below. And in today's video, we're doing a very simple tutorial kama kawaida, and we're using a wine box to make a serviette holder. Yeah, guy, how awesome is that? So this is a box that I saw somewhere just lying around, and I thought to myself, I can put it in a better use. And here we are. I love it because it is so firm, and this paper I'm using to wrap it, I'm using a piece of wallpaper that I had from a previous project, and I'm so in love, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. Sorry that I lost a footage on where I was showing as I cut the opening on where you can access the serviettes from that hole there. I'm sorry I lost that footage. I deleted it by mistake. So let's see how this turns out. Thank you for being here once again. So as you can see, I've cut my bling wrap. For all the items that I've used, I'm going to leave them in the description box. And for this bling wrap, I got it in town. I think it's around 300 baht per meter, and it's going to serve you, especially if you're into interior decor or you're just basically into art or something. And it's a great item to work with because you can cut it in the shape that you want, and yeah, it will save you money and it's a beautiful thing to work with. So the next thing I'm using, it's the lace. Sorry that I seem to have a partner there who's coming to check out what mommy is doing. And so make sure you're careful because the glue is hot, so you don't want to, to burn your fingers when you're doing this. So be very careful when you're doing that. And there, I'm loving how it's turning out to be. It's so beautiful. And yes, this will save you money if you don't want to go buy those, or you serve your serviettes from a paper. No. You can just do this and it will save you money. It will give you a beautiful item to use in your home as a home decor. And there we have our serviette holder. I love how it turned out, and I also can't wait to see what else I can do with these boxes. I'm in love with them. So you never know, just keep it here for the next one. Yes, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and take care.